Let's fill out the Iowa Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle: make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong: the VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid, here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. When selling or buying a vehicle in this state, here's what you need to know. First, you will need a certificate of title, with the assignment portion properly completed. The previous owner must sign the title, and the seller should print their name on the printed name of seller line on the back of the title. Each buyer, or transferee, must sign and date the documents in ink, so make sure everyone involved does that carefully. You will also need a completed bill of sale. And here is an important one. That bill of sale must be notarized, so plan ahead and visit a notary before or at the time of the sale. When it comes to the odometer, disclosure is required for vehicles that are 20 years old or newer, so check your vehicle's year before you finalize anything. The purchase date must be included, and the sale price matters too, because this state uses 5% of the purchase price. So make sure that figure is accurate and clearly stated. If there is no lien holder on the vehicle, you must check the None box to confirm that. Put it all together: completed bill of sale, notarized, signed title, odometer if applicable, sale price, purchase date, and that lien holder box checked, and you should be in good shape. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.